Welcome once again to another video from Tiju's Academy. And this is Jacob John. In one of my previous video, it seems like I had a discussion with you guys regarding concentration issues when you're supposed to take your OET 2.2 speaking SIP test. I know that many of the candidates, they have the same problem. It seems like they are all nervous, they are all sweaty, they have no idea, their thought gets clouded and all sorts of issues. And those issues which I discussed in my previous video was actually a trivial one. I totally can understand that. But later on, when I was thinking about it, I thought I could actually bag up a few more points. There are a few more factors that actually will open your eyes to why you are not able to sustain your concentration when you're about to take your OET 2.2 speaking SIP test. To begin with, I would like to say you have to be aware of your vicinity. Being aware of your circumstance is totally needed. Like you're sitting right in front of an examiner, you are aware, you're going to speak, you're going to enter into the warm-up session, you're going to say your role play card, and then you're going to get up from that examination room. So, being aware of your vicinity or being aware of your circumstance is really important. Maintain an eye contact with your examiner, even though only your voice is being analyzed, but still you have to maintain your eye contact. I guess that's pretty simple, isn't it? And that could be the reason that an original person is made to sit right in front of you. So an eye contact is an essential thing. Whenever you're entering your examination room and when you're made to sit right in front of the interlocutor or the examiner, make sure that you sit in a comfortable posture. And also make sure you wear an attire that is totally comfortable. No fancy attire is needed or no fancy dress is needed, but wear something that actually makes you comfortable. First of all, you'll be all sweaty because it's your examination day and you're going to speak to an unknown person. He or she is sitting right in front of you. You might be confused what sort of a warm-up question or what sort of a role play are you going to get. You must be bothered about your score. Will you get a B? Will you get a C+? Will you get a C? Or perhaps will you even get an A? All these thoughts will be lingering in your mind. So automatically you will be getting heated up. So it's much better sit in a comfortable posture or make yourself comfortable. Wear an elegant yet a comfortable dress. And apart from that, I want to tell you one more thing. Not to lose your concentration span, please do not play with or anything that is displayed on the table. For instance, the interlocutor might be giving you a pencil to jot down the points during your preparation time for the role play. As soon as you get the pencil, why don't you get to work rather than playing with the pencil in your hand, poking your ear, sometimes digging your nose just out of the tension or curiosity. Don't do that. That's something else. Don't interlace your fingers. Don't clench your fist. Don't do or perform some sort of non-verbal gestures that are actually conveying out loudly that you are so tensed to take up your OET 2.0 speaking SIP test. I know many of the candidates or many of the students who are going to give their speaking test, they would be smacking their lips, licking their lips, frowning their eyebrows, or even scratching their face with their fingers. interlacing their fingers, just holding their hands so tightly, blinking their eyes. These all are non-verbal gestures which actually are shouting, "Hey there, I'm not at all ready for my speaking test. Please, can you do something to make me calm?" It actually speaks. As the saying goes, action speaks louder than words. Alright guys, so these were a couple of more points that I want to add, or these were a couple of more factors that I want to bring it in the light. Of course, it would help you as my other video helped you a lot. My work over here is done. Now it's time for you to think about.